Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to send crypto from Kraken to another wallet. On the Kraken app homepage, tap the section in the bottom right labeled Kraken. This will open a separate app that allows you to send and receive cryptocurrency instantly using wallet addresses. Tap Checkout Kraken, then download the app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Log in using the same credentials as your Kraken account. Once you're on the main screen, scroll to the right to view your Kraken balance, which shows all your available cash and crypto. Next, tap the plus icon in the center of the screen. Select Withdraw, then choose Withdraw Crypto. Enter the wallet address of the destination wallet. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to send, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. That's it, your crypto will be sent to the other wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.